Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Six months from now, you could be running a 5K, booking that dream trip, or seeing thicker, fuller hair every time you look in the mirror. Through Hers, you can get dermatologist-trusted, clinically proven prescriptions with ingredients that go beyond what over-the-counter products offer. Whether you prefer oral or topical treatments, Hers has you covered. Getting started is simple. Just fill out an intake form online and a licensed provider will recommend a customized plan just for you. The best part? Everything is 100% online. If prescribed, your treatment ships right to your door. No pharmacy trips, no waiting rooms, and no insurance headaches. Plus, treatments start at just $35 a month. Start your initial free online visit today at forhers.com/deal. That's FORHERS.com/deal. Compounded products are not FDA approved or verified for safety, effectiveness, or quality. Prescription required. Price varies based on product and subscription plan. See website for full details, restrictions, and important safety information.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Aw, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.
Scaling your business requires the right expertise at the right time. With Upwork, you can find specialized freelancers in marketing, development, design, and more. Posting a job on Upwork is easy. With no cost to join, you can register, browse freelancer profiles, get help drafting a job post, or even book a consultation. From there, you can connect with freelancers and easily hire them to take your business to the next level. Post a job today and hire tomorrow with Upwork. Visit Upwork.com right now and post your job for free. That is Upwork.com to post your job for free and connect with top talent ready to help your business grow. That's UPWORK.com. Upwork.com.
These are the Daily Tech headlines for Monday, April 21st, 2025. I'm Sarah Lane. Riot Games says that Valorant Mobile is officially on the way, launching first in China, with pre-registration for a play test already open. The game is being developed by Chinese studio Lightspeed, but there is no word on a global release. Valorant Mobile was first announced in 2021, following the success of the original PC game. Attackers exploited a weakness in Google's systems to send fake emails that passed Domain Keys Identified Mail, or DKIM, security checks and appeared to come from Google, tricking users into giving up their credentials. The attack used Google OAuth apps and sites.google.com to create convincing phishing pages. Google initially said the process was working as intended, but is now working on a fix after acknowledging the risk. Lego has opened a $1 billion factory in Vietnam. That's its second in Asia and sixth globally, to support long-term growth in the region. The facility is set to run fully on renewable energy by early 2026. The move also strengthens Lego's sustainability efforts as eco-friendly production becomes a key competitive factor in the toy industry. Airbnb announced it will now automatically show users the full cost of a stay. That's all fees, but before taxes, up front in search results. This update replaces the old optional toggle and is meant to make pricing more transparent worldwide. Airbnb is also offering new tools for hosts to better compare prices and see what guests are paying for in competing locations. Chinese e-commerce marketplace apps DTH and Taobao jumped to the number 2 and number 5 spots among free iPhone apps in the US last week. This is at least in part coming from a variety of TikTok videos from Chinese manufacturers claiming that many luxury goods, clothes, handbags, shoes, accessories, are made in China, then shipped to places like Italy and France for repackaging and sold at marked up prices. The more you know. Google launched Gemini 2.5 Flash in preview, a smaller AI model meant to improve dynamic thinking more quickly and offering developers more control over cost and reasoning depth. It replaces the older 2.0 Flash in the Gemini app and has adjustable thinking budgets. Google wants feedback to help streamline the user experience and move the 2.5 series towards general release soon. Amazon is reportedly moving its TV hardware away from Android, with plans to launch its first streaming device running the Vega OS later this year. The Linux-based system could eventually replace Fire OS across Amazon's devices, with the Echo Show 5, the Echo Hub, and the Echo Spot already running on Vega. Amazon is also said to be working to get major publishers to bring their apps to the new platform. And finally today, the FTC has sued Uber, accusing the company of deceptive billing and cancellation practices related to its Uber One subscription service, claiming that Uber misled customers about savings, made it difficult to cancel memberships, and charged users without consent, violating the FTC Act and the Restore Online Shoppers Confidence Act, according to the FTC. Uber One costs $9.99 per month or $96 per year and had about 30 million subscribers as of December. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. That's where you can find show notes and links to all these headlines there as well. Thank you for listening. I'm Sarah Lane, and we will talk to you next time.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Ah, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.
Weight loss. It needs to be fast and sustainable. Noom GLP-1 starts at just $149 and ships to your door in 7 days. Take it from Lauren, who lost 22 pounds on Noom.
If I come off of the GLP-1, it's not going to automatically make my weight yo-yo back.
$149 GLP-1s? Now that's Noom smart. Get started at Noom.com. Real Noom user compensated to provide their story. Individual results may vary. Not all customers will medically qualify for prescription medications. Compounded medications are not reviewed by the FDA for safety, efficacy, or quality.